This question is from 2020 O levels, area and perimeter. Okay, the figure shows a flower bed consisting of a semicircular part with radius 14 meters and a rectangular part ABCD. Pebbles have been scattered in the two rectangular parts outside the flower bed. So these are the rectangular parts outside the flower bed. Okay. Find the length BC of the rectangular part of the flower bed. So we have to find BC. That's easy because the total length here is 28, right, since the radius is 14, or else we can consider one part of the shape. So either way we can find it easily. BC is basically 28 minus 7 and 7, that's 14. 28 minus 14 is 14 meters. That's the length of BC, right? So that's BC. And then find the area of the semicircular part of the flower bed. Area of a semicircle, we know theta over 360, that is half for the semicircle, into pi r squared. So pi is 22 over 7 and r squared, the radius is 14, the square of 14, right? And we can cancel 14 as 2 and 1, and then we can cancel the 2's. 22 times 14, that would give us 308 square meters. That's the area, right, of the semicircle. And then if the area of the semicircular part is equal to the sum of the areas of two parts in which pebbles have been scattered, find the length AB. Okay, alright. So what do they say? They say the area of the semicircle is equal to these two rectangles, right? These two rectangles. So we know, what do we know? We know the length or the breadth. We can consider either way. I'll consider this with length. We know the length of the rectangle, but we do not know the breadth of any rectangle, right? Okay, let's substitute the area 308 equal to 2 times the area of a rectangle. So the area of a rectangle is 7 into the breadth, right? Okay, now we can cancel, we can divide 308 by 14 to get the breadth, right? So first let's divide it by 2. That will give us 154 divided by 7, right? So that would give us 22 to be the breadth of a rectangle. So the breadth of rectangle is 22 meters, right? And then finally find the perimeter of the whole flower bed, and then find the length of a rectangle that has the same perimeter. Okay, let's divide and conquer. First let's find the perimeter of the whole flower bed. So this is the shape of the flower bed, right? So I'll start from here and go this way. So the perimeter would be equal to this arc length, we do not know that yet, plus 7, which is this length, and then 22 plus 14 plus 22 again, and then 7. This is the perimeter of the flower bed. Now we have to find the arc length. I can find the arc length. Arc length is theta over 360 into 2 pi r. So the value of pi is 22 over 7, and the radius is 14, right? We can cancel these and cancel these. That will give us 44 meters. The arc length is 44 meters, right? Now we'll have to add them all up. We'll end up at 88 plus 28. That would be 116 meters. That's the perimeter, right? That's the perimeter of the whole flower bed. And then find the length of a rectangle that has the same perimeter as the flower bed and breadth equal to the diameter of the semicircle. Alright, so if you take a rectangle, right, the perimeter would be 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. They say the perimeter should be 116. The perimeter should be that of the flower bed, and the breadth should be equal to the diameter of the semicircle. The diameter of the semicircle is 28. We know that. So instead of B we can substitute 28. So 2L plus 2 times 28. 2 times 28 is 56. It's 116. Alright, 2L is equal to 116 minus 56, that is 60. Then the length of the rectangle should be 30 meters. That should be the length of the rectangle. Okay.